Now, the multi-party Gupkar alliance is ahead of the BJP in the counting for district polls currently underway in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Gupkar alliance there, which opposes the abrogation of Article 370 once it's restored, has now got a good lead over the BJP in Jammu and Kashmir DDC polls. The Jammu BJP unit has got a healthy lead, but Gupkar is ahead in Kashmir. These polls, the first ever after Jammu and Kashmir lost its special status in August last year, will decide the fate of 2,178 candidates in 280 seats on the whole. According to the poll panel there, the final results will take time as elections have been held through ballot papers. Security across of Jammu and Kashmir has been tightened in view of counting. Ahead of results, 3 PDP leaders have been detained, invoking sharp reaction from Mehbooba Mufti, who claims that this is a bid by the BJP to manipulate results.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने ये चुनाव पूरे दमखम के साथ जम्मू कश्मीर में लड़ा है। एक तरफ गुपकार गठबंधन था जहां 10-10 पार्टियों ने गठबंधन किया था और दूसरी तरफ भारतीय जनता पार्टी थी। भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने पूरी ताकत के साथ ये चुनाव लड़ा है और हमें विश्वास है कि ये चुनाव हम थंपिंग मेजॉरिटी से जीतेंगे। हमें पूरा विश्वास है कि जम्मू संभाग में 70 से 80 के बीच में हम सीटें जीतेंगे और वहीं कश्मीर घाटी में भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी का कमल का फूल खिलेगा।
सरकारी स्कीमों को लोगों तक पहुंचाया है और लगातार, चाहे वो कोरोना महामारी हो, हमारा कार्यकर्ता बूथ स्तर पर लोगों से जुड़ा रहता है। हमें उम्मीद नहीं, विश्वास है कि जो परिणाम होंगे बेहतर होंगे, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के पक्ष में होंगे और भारतीय जनता पार्टी सबसे बड़ी पार्टी उभर करके जम्मू कश्मीर में आएगी।
निश्चित तौर पर अच्छा प्रदर्शन भारतीय जनता पार्टी का रहेगा और लोग भी चाहते हैं कि नए जनप्रतिनिधि चुनकर आए, नया नेतृत्व उभर कर आए। कुल मिलाकर जहां एक और नए नेतृत्व को आगे आने का अवसर मिलेगा, वहीं और लोगों को एक अच्छे प्रतिनिधि मिलेंगे ताकि उनके स्थानीय स्तर पर विकास हो सके।
Now, Shuja ul Haq joining us live for more details on that from Srinagar. Shuja, very interesting development there. The TDC polls showing the pulse of the people in Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu, we are looking at a significant lead for the BJP. Kashmir, quite evidently, the Gupkar alliance leading. What does it say of the people's mood as of now? People have come early this morning to come out in the cold to vote. They're looking for change, and in what form, I think the end of the day would tell us.
That's correct. We'll have to wait till the end of the day because this is not an election which was, held through EVMs. It was a ballot paper election, so it's going to take time to, give us the holistic picture. But so far, the trend suggests that there is a lead for the Gupkar alliance, a very, considerable lead here. The latest figures are around 88 seats where the Gupkar alliance is leading. There are some seats where they have already won. And the BJP is at around 40, between 40 to 50 seats. Most of these seats in Jammu. But even in Jammu, the Congress is also not very far behind. They're also doing well. So those aspects also need to be very, understood in totality. But like I was pointing out, it will be, at the end of the day when the holistic picture comes in front of us that, one can analyze the messaging and which way the people have reposed their faith on. It's an important exercise that has been happening in Jammu and Kashmir because first time DDCs are being set up, and also it is the first big exercise of this nature after Article 370 was removed. The Gupkar alliance went ahead and asked for votes from the people on the basis of on the basis of Article 370 and its removal in itself. They've been demanding that it should be reversed. And on the other side, their opponent was the BJP and its affiliates who have been saying that DDCs are basically to create, developmental units at the grassroots level. So it's an interesting exercise, very important, so to speak, and we'll have to wait till the end of the day to get the, a complete picture on it.
Shuja, thank you very much for joining us with those details. Shuja, DDC polls in Jammu and Kashmir, interesting developments as currently the Gupkar alliance is leading at 88, BJP showing at 44 and others, independents also significantly ahead with 57.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.